For the repair of the Daihatsu OMD controller PCBs from MD-9M, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the units. For testing, we connect the units to a spare MD-9M unit and we add a 220 volt AC power supply. By turning on the power supply, the unit reacts and does a scan of the cylinders. By blocking the pathway, the unit reacts and the alarm indicators light up. The same process is repeated for the second PCB. It is now clear that both controllers are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.